Internships are important since civil engineering is so broad and there are so many subdisciplines. You can see what you may or may not like within civil engineering. And internships are also important so that you can see how your current education ties into real-world projects.
Internships are something that you will hear in the engineering field. A lot of engineers do it, whether they're in college or just out of college, and I cannot stress the importance of internships enough. Any experience is good experience, whether it's something you think you're gonna do just for a short period of your life or something that you're gonna do for the rest of your life. It's a good way. There's so many different avenues that you can go in engineering, and so it's a good way not only to find what you like, but also to find what you necessarily don't like, and that's not a bad thing. Engineering and internships kind of go hand in hand. It's a great way to put real-world applicability to what you learn in school or what you've been doing in school, to kind of get out there and see what it actually looks like on a day-to-day basis or what it could look like for your future career. And so any kind of internship, whether it's through school and it's a research project or it's something out in the community, whether at a consulting firm or anything like that, I think you couldn't do anything better than to have an internship.
Internships are important for almost any field, almost any job. They kind of give you a little snapshot, a little opportunity to try out on the job, to see if you like it and to see if the job likes you.
Internships, in my opinion, are huge for engineering. They do a lot of things all at one time. The first is it gives you a little bit of real world experience. In particular, trying to find different internships as you progress in your education will really help you narrow down as a student where you want to go after college. I cannot stress enough that if you can get an internship, take it. If it's out of town, figure out a way to make rent or whatever needs to be done at that new location. The experiences that you gain through an internship are invaluable, even if it's in a field that you ultimately don't pursue, because that may allow you to say, well, that was okay, but it wasn't for me. And the more internships you can have, the more experience that you have, the happier I think you'll be when you come out of school and are looking for a job. You'll have a better understanding of what it is that you want to do. So internships, in my opinion, are key to at least having an early career success and fulfillment.